ancestral land, they were flung into utter darkness. They began groping for a ray of light and were wandering in search of food and shelter. From the depth of despair, they cried out to Marang Buru, "Protect us, O God, and show us the way out of this darkness. We will worship you and offer you the first fruit of everything before we taste of it." We followed the arrow our Marang Buru had shot and settled down where it had landed. The same arrow also indicated our Jaher Than, our sacred grove, a thick cluster of sal trees, a place of worship for Marang Buru.
India's only productive uranium mines, Jadugoda, Bhatin and Narwa Pahad, lie in the East Singhbhum district, also known by its traditional name, Dalbumgarh. Near Jadugoda are the famous copper mines of Musabani, Surda and Rakha, where uranium is also mined.
जाड़ागोड़ा बोलते थे पहले का गांव का नाम जाड़ागोड़ा बोलते थे।
बहुत गहरा जंगल थे, तो 4 बजने से इधर बाघ भालू आते घूमते थे।
मटेरियल निकलता है, पत्थर तो तेजधार होता है इसमें। कभी कभी अगर इस पत्थर में कोई कट जाता है पैर हुए तो वो जल्दी अच्छा नहीं होता है। इसी से हम लोग को पता चलता है कि इसमें जरूर कुछ जहरीला टाइप का है।
There are 3 kinds of radiations: alpha, beta, gamma. Radiation causes irreparable damage to all living organisms. The penetration of alpha radiation is low, but when it enters the human body, it continuously keeps radiating.
My only submission is, please do not give credit or discredit for everything to nuclear radiation. None of those diseases are related to nuclear radiation dose. In any case, yellow cake does not give any harm unless it goes inside your body, because yellow cake is uranium which is pure alpha emitter. You can handle uranium by bare hands and nothing will happen to you.
Safety regulation is, in the first place, that drum should not have been broken. It should have been handled, welded properly, handled properly so that it doesn't break. Second, an accumulation of such trunks should not be lying in a public area so that children can sit on it and people can be walking past it. So all these are, every step is a violation of a practice and a norm which is set. There is no excuse of somebody walking over a dried up training pond and then to say that, well, even if you work out the radiation from that, it doesn't amount to much, so I think even if he walks, it is all right. That is a violation. Internationally, it is a mutually agreed thing that tailing ponds should be cordoned off, and there is no question of even animals walking over the tailing pond. At least considered as a criminal activity, because that's the only way that it can be controlled. I think in any other country, the chairman and managing director of that organization will be held responsible for that fault. It is not the security guard standing there is not going to be hung first. The chairman will have to answer in front of some committee or some court why people were found walking on the tailing pond.
Mase adimi hudi saname, mase adimi disaname. Kadang kadang nyuture amado tahene gece sana. Kadang kadang nyuture amado tahene gece sana.
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद 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 इनकलाब जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
The struggle of the people was bringing in results. The first demand of the people was met. The company apologized for desecrating their sacred groves.
जंगल जमीन हमारा है हमारा है जंगल जमीन हमारा है हमारा है हमारा है।
हमारा लड़ाई सिर्फ विस्थापितों को सिर्फ पुनर्वास के लिए लड़ाई नहीं था कि सिर्फ उसको नौकरी देने का सिर्फ लड़ाई नहीं था। हमारा मांग है कि ये यूरेनियम जिस स्थान पर था पृथ्वी के नीचे, जमीन के नीचे, वो उसी जगह पर रहने दिया जाए। और जिस तरह से सांप एक है जो कि सांप अपना बिल में अगर शांति से रहता है तो किसी को खतरा नहीं पहुंचाता है। अगर उसको आप छेड़छाड़ कीजिएगा तो छेड़छाड़ करने वाले और तमाम उससे नज़दीक में रहने वाले को ढंस सकता है, मार देगा। जो गौतम बुद्ध हम लोग का है, जो बोंगा, ये इसी जमीन में पैदा हुआ है। लोग बोल रहे हैं गौतम बुद्ध बहुत खुश है, मुस्कुरा रहा है। ये जो नतीजा है इससे कभी खुश नहीं है। वो यहाँ जब हमारे आदिवासी भाई समाज के अंदर में जब विकलांग लोग पैदा हो रहे हैं, टीबी और कैंसर से लोग मर रहे हैं, तो उसका आत्मा रो रहा है। हमारे पूर्वजों का आत्मा रो रहा है, गौतम बुद्ध का आत्मा रो रहा है।